Okay, I will share my screen. Uh, Hi everyone. So, last class we discussed about database table creation, and just a few examples. Just one example we discussed. So here the domain is a data type and length, and the data element is a domain plus field label, and primary key is a it's a non-key field. It is a unique field. It doesn't allow the duplicates. So this is we discussed in the last session, and going forward, as we created a custom domain data element, these concepts are nothing is required. I mean, going forward, we no need to create all manually. So because we are using only standard. SAP has provided lakhs of tables, so standard tables. In that, we need to identify what is the requirement as according to that which table is suitable. Their data element we can reuse into our tables. That is the concept we are going to do in the real time objects. Actually, that is a processor we need to use. So here, basically, as of now, you guys doesn't have any server accesses, so that is the reason I don't want to do this technical concepts. So just we have to discuss some real-time business scenarios, which is related to few of the scenarios like SDM and scenarios. SD is in the sense sales and distribution. MM is the material management. So here in this every flow, every not only this MM and SD. So regularly these tables we are using regularly. So that is the reason we discuss this point today. So in this entire flow, few of the tables and transports are included. So going forward, we are using these raw tables in our MDG concepts. So here we discuss a few of the tables like first is sales and distribution. In the sales and distribution, it's roaming around the this data customer and vendor interaction. So sales and distribution, it is a end product. End product is ready. So then we can start that product need to sell that product. We need to sell that product. That comes under the sale. Sale means end product. If the end product is ready, then the vendor then sell the product to the customer. So entire this particular scenario roaming around only customers and vendors. So in the customers and the vendor section, see here, first, for example, I need to purchase uh, one particular product like a car. I need to purchase a car. So to purchase a car, first what we have to do, first activity what we do, we can check the as per our budget, we check into the market which model is suitable for us. So for example, how do we check? Through newspapers or social website, networking websites, and browsing, and some YouTube or some like that. You can compare as the versions, current recent versions, and recent models. According to that, you decided first uh, which car is the best car. Finally choose Maruti. It's as per my budget, it's the best suitable car. So first you need to inquire this car is available or not. So what you have to do that case, you can choose what is the showroom nearest by your location. That is your first activity. So you can visit Varun showroom nearby your location, and you need to inquire this particular product. For example, Maruti Ertiga, this particular car is available or not. So that is inquiry section into the uh, showroom. So inquiry related, we have a T codes VA11, VA12, VA13. You see here in the system level. the system level. See here, first thing is, what is the T code for inquiry? VA level. Enter VA level. So inquiry type. What type of inquiry? Customer price list, a stock inquiry, or inquiry related. Like this, you have to enter, and you go inside and give the what are the details for inquiry. So that are all mandatory information you have to provide. End of the day, what you have to do, you have to save this or save this record. So once you save this record through VA11, so the data got saved into backend tables, VBAK and VBAP. The data got saved into that VBAK and VBAP tables. These are the two tables. The data got updated. So in this VBAK, and open the VBAK table. VBAK. In this VBAK table, what is the key field? VBELN. So every table, what is the main key field? So that same name key field, you have to remember this all things. Okay, key field. This is the key field. VBELN. Inquiry related. This is the inquiry related information. VA11, VA12, VA13, table VBAK, VBAP, and key field is, this is the key field. Inquiry. So once inquiry is done, so you need to the product is ready. You need to purchase that product. Okay. So what is the price estimations, and what is the on-road price? These are all estimated price that we can get into the invoice. Sorry, quotation. The quotation level, what are the price list, estimated price, on-road price, these are all things we can get into this quotation. So quotation related, we have a T codes VA21, VA22, VA23. See here, check, slash in VA21. See, observe here, 21, 1, 2, 3. Every T code we have it 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1 is indicating creation, 2 is display, sorry, 2 is change, 3 is display. This is quotation creation, quotation change, quotation display. For that case, 1, 2, 3. VA21, VA22, VA23. Here, create, 22, change, VA23, display, like this. Okay. Create, change, display, like this. So quotation, if you do the if you the who is provide the quotation, the sales team has provided you the quotation. Sales team provide you to, sales team means vendor team. The vendor team has provided you the quotation to whom? Customer. So the backend data where it is updated, these are the two tables, the data got updated. Once it is done, okay, so you are ready to purchase this product. So once you ready to purchase, the sales team, that they provide you the sales order. The sales order indicating which product you purchased, where you purchased, what is the vendor details, what is your details, customer details, which product, what is the model, and how much price, 100 price, accurate information will be available. Whichever your product, who is buying this product, customer is buying this product, who is sell, vendor sell this product, that all information available in the sales order section. VA, that is the T code VA01, VA02, VA03. Backend tables, these are the backend tables. Every table you have to check what is the key field. Okay, like this. Once a product is you purchase, then they have to plan for delivery. So delivery section, delivery related T codes VA01N, VA02N, VA03N. Tables LIKP and LIPS. So if you go to the table, what is the key field? You need to check what is the key field here. This is very, very important. Going forward, you need to check, open this all transaction, and Check what is the use of it. VBLN only, the delivery unit. Here the name is same, but every table wise that information got changed. Okay, here it is a sales order, here is a quotation, here is a inquiry, here is a delivery. Once delivery is done, then you will get the complete price list. The complete price list has comes under the invoice. So here the two section, invoice and billing, both are different. Both are different. For example, you purchase the final amount through card or cash, any other liquid process. So like if you use any of the any kind of transaction like cash, card, online transaction, anything. So what once you pay the amount, they will give you the small receipt. For example, if swipe the card, they will give you just a small bill. So there is a bill, it is contain only final amount, it doesn't contain any information about the product. That this is only bill level, only what is the final amount, that is you paid or not, that is only displayed on the bill section. Invoice section, come to the invoice section, everything is available. What is the vendor details, what is the customer details, where when he purchased, what is the time, and what is the product he purchased, what is the GST, SGST, and what is the tax deduction, and CGST values, SGST values, and discount prices, on road prices, that every information about the product and your purchasing details, everything available in one paper, that is an invoice paper. That is a long length sheet you can get, that is the invoice. So once the invoice is ready, so then you can take over the your product to home. So here we involve two categories, customer and vendor. What is the customer master data related T codes? Earlier there is a below versions like ECC, XT01, XK01. These are the T codes for customer and vendor. Now in the HANA section, we have only one T code, BP. In this particular T code level, BP, this particular T code, we can view both customers and vendors. See here, we can handle all customers and vendor at one place. The transaction is BP. So here the roles, based on the roles, they can handle it, customer and vendors. So if it is vendors, they have to add the roles. So like that, now it is a all-in-one T code, that is for customer, vendor, and business partner. So only one T code, the BP. The BP level, you can handle both customer and vendor. So customer tables are KNA1, KNV1, KNVV. Vendor table LFA1, LFB1. These are the standard tables. Going forward, we have to reuse these objects into our custom tables. That is the concept we are doing here. Okay, that is a concept we need to follow. This is useful next developments. How to reuse these options. Clear, right? Now, this is a concept about sales and distribution, inquiry, quotation, sales order, delivery, invoice, and after completion of this, what we majorly we discuss customer and vendors. These are two concepts. Okay, so now come to the MM is when this scenario is required. For example, same scenario you can take, you requested for Ertiga car, but this sales team, sales team, this is a company, Varun, for example, Varun Motors selling Ertiga car. So first to deliver to the customer, this particular product is available or not. If it is not available, the sales team inform to the customer. So it's take this particular time, delivery time. So you could wait at least 3 to 4 months. What they did in 3 to 4 months, for they have planned for manufacturing. There is a product is not available. They need to do. from the scratch development. So that is the reason 3 or 4 months buffer time is required for that. So that is the case. First, now where we are, Varun Motor promised for within the 4 months, uh, the product handover to the customer. That is the concept. Now product is not ready. So to develop this Ertiga car, what is required? Materials are required. So what type of materials it could be, like raw material, finished goods, semi-finished goods, like this. So these are the finished goods, semi-finished goods, raw materials. These are all things are required. These are all materials are required. So that for development time, few materials are available. Few materials you need to purchase from the different vendors. So again, this particular product manufacturing, to collect the all kind of parts, spare parts, they will purchase from the different vendor. Who is the best vendor in the market? They will purchase this product from that particular vendor. Okay, so here in this particular scenario, what are the two things are roaming here? We are the MN concept, the complete flow is roaming around the customer and vendors. Sorry, company and vendors. Company means like company required product, so company is the main role, and they're purchasing the product from the vendors. So company with vendors, this two things are roaming around here. And so first, the company, the required, which are the products are required, which are not required, they will prepare a list. So what is available, what not is not available. So that activity is called purchase requisition. Purchase requisition means what is required to what are the products are required, that is the list, is the purchase requisition. The T code is ME51 and M52 and 53N. This is the table. And the list is ready. So once the list is ready, this list hand out to whom? Purchase order department. Purchase order department, this particular department, go to the uh, vendor places, and they'll purchase the products. So this is a purchase order given to the purchase order team. The purchase order team, they require these are the products. So they will hand out to the vendor. So vendor, what are in this particular list? For example, in this particular list 20 products are there, but from the vendor has only 16 products, only four remaining four products that they don't have. So only they can give the list of 16 products. So from our end, only 16 products are available. So that is, they will pack the 16 product, and they will given to the, they will maintain the purchase order. The vendor, so who is selling these products, those candidates are maintain the purchase order given to the team, given to the company who is the this line. And once it is done, once the products are delivered to the company, they will get a goods receipt. In the goods receipt level, how many products you requested? 20. How many products delivered? 16. So that is the receipt. 16 products related information available in the goods receipt. The T code this, and table is T code is MIGO, table is MIKF and MIEG. So that goods are delivered, you will get a good receipt. And there is a separate team, invoice verification team. So how many products requested? 20, delivered 16. There is a verification which is missing. So that is comes under this section. There is a T code MIRO, MIR7, and RBKV, RSCG. These are the tables. And this is a complete flow about the material management. So in this entire scenario, what we discussed, vendors and company list, and the company having the materials. So vendor related information, the tables are LFA1, LFB1, T code is BP. Like this is vendor information. But about material master data, this is very important T codes. MM01, T codes are MM01, MM02, MM03, MM01 material creation, material change, material display. These are the T codes. Tables Mara, Marcy, and Marty. These are the three tables. Okay, this is the complete flow. These are all tables. This is required. So you guys, what you have to do, at least you have to open these tables and view this table. At least remember what is the name, what is the inquiry related tables, what is the say, customer table, vendor table. Going forward, it's your whatever you get the requirement, that would be easy to you. Otherwise, you don't know these tables, you need to always search in the Google. That is a very difficult, that is it's take time. So if you know these tables, your activity is bit easy, because we are daily reusing these objects in our day-to-day activity. So end of this course, at least you could know 100 above tables, T codes, and 50 minimum 50, 30 to 50 program names, standard program names, standard tables, standard T codes, and programs. So from today onwards, what you had to do, you had to segregate your page into three sections. One is for T codes, one is for programs, one is for tables. Day by day, how many tables are added, add there, and T codes and programs, and what is the information about it. So, for example, we discussed VA11. What is the purpose of VA11 and VA21? So, give the description. So, this could be useful to you in the interview section, interview part going forward. Okay, so this is all the topic about today. And so you guys doesn't have any server access, so I don't want to move further, because of that is a technical topics. So today this is enough. And if you anything is required, just collect the server access, then you can practice. And once you get the server access, we'll discuss more about the technical topics. That's it for today, guys. Yeah, thank you. Bye, everyone. Bye.